Alright, now here's a question I am asked very often by my students. Should I take the LSAT-India? Now, many students have a target of maybe securing admissions into government colleges, and indeed the LSAT-India gets you admission only to private universities. Then, is it wise for you to take the LSAT-India or not? I'll answer this in this video. First, let me tell you something about the LSAT-India exam. The LSAT-India is an entrance test that gets you admission into several reputed private colleges in India. To know more about these colleges, visit the LSAT-India website www.discoverlaw.in. Therein, you can find the details of all the colleges that accept LSAT-India scores both for admission and for scholarships. Now, most of you may have already decided to take the CLAT. The question is, should you additionally appear for the LSAT-India? And for this, I'd like you to look at the curriculum. You'd find that there's quite an overlap between the curriculum of the LSAT-India and that of the CLAT. When you prepare for the LSAT-India, you help yourself prepare for the CLAT as well. The LSAT-India contains questions on reasoning that will help you immensely in tackling the reasoning-based questions in the CLAT. Therefore, in terms of content, you give yourself a good practice for the CLAT when you take the LSAT. In fact, you'd also find on the official website, again discoverlaw.in, that there is a series of mock tests that are called the Law Prep. These will help you prepare for both the LSAT-India as well as the CLAT. The second reason why you should take this test is that there are very few national level law entrance tests in India that give you access to numerous colleges. Of course, one of those is CLAT. The other is LSAT-India. It is wise for you to always give yourself access to admission to more colleges. It might so happen that maybe on the day of the exam that you've chosen to write, perhaps you may not be in your best of form, perhaps you might have some other emergency, some kind of medical problem. You see, there are many things that can happen. And in such a scenario, having a backup is going to help. Another important question that you may have in your mind is about the fees of private colleges. Indeed, many of you might find that the fees of private colleges far exceeds that of several government universities. To address this concern, the LSAT-India is an exam that allows you access to very sizable and significant scholarships. The details of these scholarships again can be seen on the website discoverlaw.in. These scholarships are designed to ease the financial burden on meritorious students. So my advice to you would be not just to take the CLAT and the LSAT-India, but also some other exams that you believe you should take to give yourself more choice. Ultimately, when it comes to the stage of choosing the college that you want to enter, you want to have the luxury of choice. You should be able to choose a college that makes you happy. The importance of choice is something that you will understand only once you've graduated from school, because that is when you truly start exploring the colleges. Until now, you're only focusing on the curriculum of the tests. You're not really looking at which colleges are good and which are not. You will do this once you have completed your exams, completed your board exams, given the entrance tests. At that point, you can carry out a detailed research on all of the colleges and then choose the college that works the best for you.